Blessings, family. Praying that your family is well and all is well with you, as I'm making sure and praying that all is well with me and mine. Hey, this is a beautiful day. This is a beautiful night. This is your boy, Reggie T, with another episode of the 7 P's of Life to a Renewed Mind. Hey, I'd like to first say thank you, like I always do, to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the channel. For those who haven't joined yet, please join the channel. Please push like and please share the video because I have a lot I need to share. This is good content, and I believe, like I say in all my videos, that this continuously helps renew the mind. This is facts, this is real talk, and I need you all to renew your mind. Check out that thumbnail up there. Why? Just tell me why do some Christians leaving the faith? Is it because of unbelief? Well, I'm about to dig into this. And about something you may be surprised about. Okay? Just hold on. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back in one.